Oh my days, my days. That sound like a British. That's what the British speak. My days. Is it British or the US? Anyways, hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny cold day here in France, in Nice to be exact. But I'm going to stop complaining about being cold. No, not really, but kind of, sort of ish. You know why? We still remain the hottest side of France. So everywhere else is colder than my city. And my city still remain one of the best temperatures. So I'm going to take it and enjoy it because other places are cold and it's already snowing. Though in the south of France, here where we are, we don't really get snow. We'll get it once in a blue moon. It will pop up by surprise. If we're having a really bad weather, then it will pop up, but it don't really happen here. If we want to see snow, we have to go to the mountains, which you guys will definitely see during our Christmas vlogs, because we are going away to the mountains on Christmas vacation and you guys don't want to miss those vlogs. So in case, just to double check, just look at your subscription button to make sure that you've already clicked it and subscribed to this channel if you haven't as yet, or just double check to see that your notification is on and that you're really subscribed to the fam bam. If you do not get your notification after doing all that, just go to our channels, go to our channel Monday to Friday. A video is there, guarantee. I promise you, a video is there. And it's the beginning of December, so the festivities about to begin, and you know we love this time of year. So we'll be going Christmas market, we'll be doing a lot of holidays activities and trying to stay as safe as possible, because this COVID is very still much present and is still very much going on here in France and everywhere in the world. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the season, but continue to stay safe, very important. So I'm starting off the vlog a bit alone today, but don't leave me just yet. Hang in there because you guys will see the rest of the family, which I know you guys want to see. So don't trip out on me too much. I have something exciting to show you guys. My girl Elaine was in Monaco a few days ago and I went to see her and she bring me some snacks. So I'm gonna share with you guys because I know when I get Jamaican goodies you guys will love to see it. So I'm gonna show you a bag, my Jamaican bag full of Jamaican goodies. Okay, I'll show you the snacks that my girl bring for me from JA. So holiday, who make holiday snacks? Jambisco, Excelsior, I think so. If I'm wrong, comment down below my Trinidadian people, because I know this company is generally from Trinidad, but they have a base in Jamaica. So I think holiday snacks. If I'm wrong, just let me know down below. Or is it from National? I think it's from Jambisco, Excelsior, but let me know. Anyway, I have holiday snacks and I haven't tasted these in a long while, or maybe it's even a different type from what I used to, but this says sticks, but I think I'm used to cheese sticks. It still says cheddar cheese, but this is not how I used to them when I used to live in Jamaica. But I tasted one last night and it tastes pretty good, just like how I remembered it with the cheddar cheese. So I got she got me some of these. I have a few, and Tyler and Sarah love these because they're close to cheesies. I wish Tyler was here to try them now, but you guys will see. Tyler actually opened this one, that's why you see the elastic on it. It's butter case. I used to love butter case growing up. My favorite was the strawberry one, and Elaine bring me the chocolate one. Tyler tasted it last night. He wasn't a big fan of it though, but he tasted it. And look, cashew. Y'all know cashew is my favorite from Sunshine Snack, and I think Sunshine Snack is national. So I have lightly salted. The next time Elaine come in, I need to tell her to bring honey roasted for me because I love honey roast. Comment down below on my Jamaicans and let me know if Jamaica still have honey roasted peanut on the streets. I used to love buying them when I'm going home from school. So Elaine bought me a few of these. Got me cashew nut again. Saldanza. I cannot mistake this one. Saldanza is definitely from Excelsior. Why? I used to work at Excelsior in the canteen. I supervised the canteen for a few years, so I know this. I know Soldanza. Soldanza had just came out just before I migrated to Jamaica. So Soldanza is a good banana chips. And she got me M&M's. M&M's have peanuts in the middle. What is this? Okay, this is some more sticks. Goody got me gizzarda, and I'm so looking forward to this gizzarda. It's called, I've never seen this brand, it's Aunty Pastries gizzarda. It says made in Jamaica, and I'm so looking forward to eat this. I couldn't tell the last time I ate gizzarda. I eat a gizzarda, so I'm looking forward to this. I have never had this before. This is coconut roll from Honey Bun. Oh my gosh, Honey Bun bring back so many memories, because when Babe visited me in Jamaica for the first time, I had bought a lot of Honey Bun cheese bread. He loved when I just pop them in the microwave in a few seconds, and Babe used to eat a lot of those. But I've never seen the coconut roll before, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. Oh, there's more than one. And Skittles. She had pulled one of the Skittles pack and gave it to Sarah. Sarah loves Skittles. And this is, what is this? Vitamin C. Oh my gosh, I took away Elaine vitamin C drops to strengthen immune system. I'm gonna have to message her and tell her. I didn't even realize that I took this off. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that. Probably she didn't even realize either, because she didn't message me. Anyway, I shall definitely be using that vitamin C, okay? More gizzarda. Okay, Cheetos. The kids love Cheetos, so they'll be enjoying this one. All right, honey bun cinnamon roll. I've never tried this either, so this will be tasty. I haven't, you know, it's just the other day I saw my sister bake cinnamon roll, and I'm like, geez, I haven't had cinnamon roll in years, so I'm definitely looking forward to this from Honey Bun. And my favorite, if you guys know me, you know my favorite banana chips is St. Mary's, and this is the original banana chips from St. Mary's banana chips, so I'll be definitely looking forward to that. You have more in here. This is another Soldanza banana chips, more banana chips. Mommy girl, stop me up, man. This is a Ruffles from Lay's. And this one I'm looking forward to, coconut drops. I love coconut drops. I made it the other day, but you know, when it's coming from home, that taste hit different. So I have a coconut drops, and I have more than one more gizzarda. I didn't even realize there were so many gizzardas in there. And this is something that I've never tasted before until last night. Breadfruit chips, and this wasn't in Jamaica when I was living in Jamaica, and when I saw it in the bag, I'm like, breadfruit chips, I wonder how that tastes. But when I think about it, I love fried breadfruit, so if you love fried breadfruit, you're gonna love this. And it was actually 2 in the pack, and I ate an entire pack because it was that good. So if you're living in Jamaica, or you're not living in Jamaica, you want to try breadfruit chips, it's definitely a hit. You should try. So those are all the goodies that Elaine bring me. Love you, Elaine. Mwah. Thank you for all the snacks that you brought me. Let me show you guys. Look, all that snack behind me. Yeah, so those are all the snacks that Elaine brought me, and I'll be basking in them. I'll be enjoying them. Now let me go show you the rest of the family, okay, before you guys come for me. Look who is accompanying me for school pickup today. Papa, say hello, Papa.
Hello. Yeah, said today I need to get Tyler.
He'll be happy to see you.
Long time I didn't.
He'll be super happy. He's gonna say, Papa. And because he and I have an agreement, there's a spot that I stand each evening, so when he comes, he can see me. So if one day I didn't stand at the spot, and he came to the gate and I didn't realize that he came, and he started crying. So I promised him that if you ever come out and don't see mama at that spot, you know that mama is not there as yet. But if you see mama at that spot, then you know I'm there. And this little one just keeps jumping, forever happy. Huh, Sarah? Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faves.
We're going for Tai Tai. Say Tai Tai.
Tai Tai.
Tai Tai.
Tai.
Sarah is wearing Tyler's jacket when Tyler was her age. And it's so cute on her, I can't. I love putting her in Tyler clothes. School pickup has completed. They're doing the evening ritual. Sarah, why are you doing that? Sarah, no. Sarah, no. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah. She's full of energy, you know, man. She's dead. Take time, Tyler. It's always a little run for me. You guys, I have been back home for a while now with the kids, and I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam, and I'm making veggies, chicken and pasta. So here is my mixture of veggies. I have broccoli, zucchini, green beans. There's so many mix up in here. Trust me, it tastes good, better than it looks. And I have pasta over here for the kids, and I have chicken roasting in the oven.
À maman, elle répondrait Albe.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Elle dirait Alble. Albe.
Wanna be, I'll be with you.
Hi, guys.
Look who we have beside us, reading his book.
Reading his book is not in
Before
bed
to
yet.
bed. Sarah's in bed.
We are Tuesday.
Honey, your hand heavy.
Tyler having school tomorrow, so we're here.
So I get to put mine over yours.
We're gonna try to make it a little bit, because he'd have school the next day, to make him go to bed a little bit later than usually. And let's see if we can make like
a one-on-one time with Tyler.
So we're gonna watch a movie tonight, or start to watch a movie tonight. So yeah, let's enjoy that time. It's good to have family time. I think it's
especially one-on-one time with Tyler, so you don't feel too left out. Sometimes, you know, when you have two kids, you have to try to find the balance between both of them. Don't give too much attention to one and the other one.
Especially at that age, when you have to give more attention to the little one. So yeah,
we always, especially Babe, that you know, plays that father figure. He likes spending one-on-one time with Tyler, especially on a Sunday when they do control. If you want to see me happy, just see Tyler. I just see Tyler and Babe playing the PS3 and I just smile. It's always the best time. Or when him and Tyler go to the movies, or once him and Tyler alone, I'm good. I love that time. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch back, keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.